second Davy Brown 99 thermo start plug leaking again. So we're going to take this out, have a look at the end of it and see if the end's loose on this one as well. As you can see here, this is absolutely bloody soaking wet. Look at it, soaking wet. You can see it down in there, so we're going to check that little end piece. So we've got our little tool back out. Got to go down the middle onto the end of that. Pick the end of that up. And then that is tight. So that's the little end in there is tight. The only thing I can think of now is it's leaking past the olive out here. So let's go and pop this back on the tractor, but we'll not put it back in the tractor. We will just connect the nut and we'll say leave it hanging out and see if we can find out where it's leaking from. Number one thermostat plug, we'll take this back off now. As I say, I pop that on purely and simply stop the diesel leaking out. Okay. So we know we've got fuel up in this end, and then hopefully it'll run down and we'll see if it's leaking in here and running in, or whether it's leaking at this end and running out. So this is plug number 2 that's leaking. As I say, plug number 1, we know the end came loose because it was slack. I might yet just pull the plugs out, put a blanket plug in there and leave it, because trying to get a one that doesn't leak is proven very difficult, and I'm not going to keep spending 12 quid a hit for things that are defective. Catch you later.